Now let's see this question. They are saying that town H is towards south of town B. Towards which direction is town H from town F? So they are giving the relation between town H and town B, and now they are asking the relation between town H and town F. In order to solve it, two statements are given. So statement number 1 is saying town D is towards east of town F and town B is towards north of town D. These two statements are given. Now we have to find out which statement is relevant in order to solve this. Okay, so before going ahead, you should know where the directions are. Now if you take this as a point of reference, from this point north is towards this direction and south is down, and this way there is east and this way there is west, right? Now in the question they are saying this, town H is towards south of town B. Therefore if you take B as the point of reference, then H is to the south of it. Town H is towards the south of town B. And now from the statement 1 they are saying that town D is towards east of town F. So if you take F as reference, then town D is towards the east of it. So which means D is here, D is somewhere there. Got it? So now by looking at this data and the given data, will you be able to find out the relationship between H and F? That is what is asked, isn't it? So what is the relationship between H and F, which direction it is? We will not be able to say it, right? Therefore, we will not be able to say the answer only by using statement number 1. And now let's look at statement number 2. In statement number 2 they are saying that town B is towards north of town D. So which means if you take town D as reference, then they are saying that town B is towards north of town D, which means they are saying something like this. Now by using only this data and this data, this is given in the question and this is given in the second one. Now can you say the relationship between F and H? Here nothing is mentioned about F, right? So we will not be able to say it. Now individually when you take the information from these two statements, you will not be able to derive anything. And if you try to combine them, let's see if we can do something. Now if I try to combine these two pieces of information given, then what do we get? Now here we can get this way. Now they are saying that F is from F, D is to the east of it, and from D, B is to the north of it, right? And with relation to B, H is anywhere down this line, isn't it? Therefore H can be somewhere here or here or here or here, right? So H, if it happens to be here, then relation between F and H will be F is H is located at northeast, isn't it? If it is present here, then you can say that it is in the east side, right? Or if it is present down, then you can say that it is located in the southeast. But then we will not be able to say where exactly it is located. Therefore we will not be able to say anything either by using only statement number 1 or statement number 2 or by combining both of them. So the relevant option will be 4. So what does 4 say? 4 says that we will not be able to answer it even by using the information present in both statement number 1 and 2, right? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.